Most people only use ChatGPT to ask simple questions. But ChatGPT can do much more than that. Today, I'll show you 10 powerful ChatGPT features that most people never use. These features can save you time, improve your work, and completely change the way you use ChatGPT. Let's get started. Feature 1: Voice Conversations. Did you know you can actually talk to ChatGPT? Instead of typing every question, simply tap the voice button, ask your question naturally, and ChatGPT responds just like you're having a real conversation. It's perfect when you're walking, driving, or when typing isn't convenient. Feature 2: Analyze Images. You don't always need words. Simply upload an image, a screenshot, a graph, a math problem, or even a website design. Then ask ChatGPT questions about it. It can explain what's in the image, find mistakes, or help you understand complicated visuals. Feature 3: Summarize long articles. Don't have time to read a long article? Copy the text, paste it into ChatGPT, then simply ask, summarize this in 5 bullet points. Within seconds, you'll have all the important information. Feature 4: Rewrite anything. If your writing sounds boring or too formal, ChatGPT can rewrite it. Professional, friendly, shorter, longer, or even more persuasive. Just tell ChatGPT the style you want. Feature 5: Explain difficult topics simply. Learning something complicated. Ask ChatGPT, explain this like I'm 10 years old. Complex topics suddenly become easy to understand. It's one of the best ways to learn faster. Feature 6: Create tables. Need organized information. Ask ChatGPT to create a table. Perfect for comparisons, study notes, travel plans, or project management. Everything becomes much easier to read. Feature 7: Brainstorm Ideas. Feeling stuck? Ask ChatGPT for ideas. YouTube video ideas, business ideas, content ideas, product names, or even social media captions. It's like having your own brainstorming partner. Feature 8: Translate languages. ChatGPT can translate between many languages. But that's not all. It can also explain grammar, correct mistakes, improve sentences, and teach you why something is written that way. Feature 9: Analyze files. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, Excel files, or presentations. Then ask ChatGPT questions about them. Instead of reading hundreds of pages yourself, ChatGPT can quickly find the information you need. Feature 10: Continue conversations naturally. One of the most useful features is conversation memory. You don't have to repeat everything every time. ChatGPT remembers what you've already discussed during the conversation. That means follow-up questions become faster, smarter, and much more natural. And those were 10 ChatGPT features you're probably not using. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.